Once we know that what is the find S algorithm, and we have a set of the example. So now it's time for us to work with this algorithm. So I'd like to remind you something that in the find S algorithm is quite easy that the find S1 is here. Uh, we have to work with uh, all positive examples, and for each attribute in the hypothesis, if it cannot cover the examples, it's not satisfied by X, we have to change it, right? So the way that we can do it, let's look at this. So we start with a hypothesis S. So we start with the most specific one, that is the null hypothesis, that we have 6 of them, right? So next, um, look at this. When we know that we have to use the positive example, right? So the positive examples, is here. Can you remember? We have yes, 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 and no, the negative one, right? So we have day 1, day 2, day 4 that are positive, and the day 3 is only one that is negative. So we start with the first one: sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same. Look at this: sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same. So look at this. Uh, of course, this is the null hypothesis, right? That is not cover. It cannot cover day 1, right? So we have to change each attribute to be able to cover this one. So, so we will use this one. We will use this one. We will use this one. We have to change the first attribute to be sunny. So, so now sunny here, sunny. Now it's satisfied with this sunny, right? But the next attribute, the noun one, and warm, guys, please guess how can we change this one to cover warm? Yes, yes, yes. So this is the one that you think. We can use change it to warm. Okay, and then the next one is normal, strong, right? So we have to change all null hypothesis to be the values, right? We have to change all because we cannot let it to be null, because null cannot cover anything. So if we want to change S to cover day 1, so we have to change all values to be the values of day 1, right? So next. If we have day 2, guys, look at this. If we have day 2, day 2, of course, this sunny and the hypothesis here, the value sunny, of course, this one cover this one, right? So we can leave this one to be sunny because it's satisfied with this value, right? Warm also same. It's satisfied with the values warm. But guys, normal and high. Normal, of course, normal cannot cover high, right? It must be normal. It cannot be high. So how can we change normal to cover high? Easy, right? How? How? So sunny can be sunny in this case. Warm can be warm, right? But high and normal, we have to change normal to don't care, because don't care can cover both normal and high, right? Strong and strong, same. So we can use strong. Warm and warm, yes, it can cover warm. Same and same, Okay, so we can leave it like this, same. Okay, for this one is for S0, that is like initial values of S. S after past day 1, S after past day 2, right? And S after past day 3, we don't use the negative example. So the in day 3 it is a negative one, so we can skip this one. And day 4, we have to check that, okay, sunny can satisfy, sunny satisfies sunny, so we can leave it sunny. Warm satisfies warm, so we can leave it warm. Don't care cover anything, so don't care will be don't care. Strong and strong, same, right? So we can leave it to be strong. Warm and cool, guys, how can we change it? How can we change warm into something that can cover both warm and cool? So we have to change it to be don't care. And the last one, same and change. So we have to change same to be changed, right? Okay, so this is a final hypothesis that can cover all positive examples. Okay, in the next clip, I'll show you in our lattice about the general and specific one using the slide from Tom Mitchell.